The first and the easiest way to be more sexually attractive is by wearing red. Throughout history, red has been a symbol of power and status both in humans and animals. According to research published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, women are more attracted to men wearing red because it symbolizes high status, specifically financial and social success. Hack your way to attraction by wearing or incorporating red in your attire, like a red necktie or wearing a red t-shirt. You can use red as your photo background in your social media profiles. Physically demanding exercises such as full body workouts develop more strength and fitness. This results to highly oxygenated blood which produces redness on visible skin. Having glowing skin will send signals that you are healthy and vigorous, therefore a potential mate. The second way for you to be sexually attractive is to increase your testosterone level. This hormone increases your confidence, your mood, and makes you competitive in every aspect of life. Studies show that fertile women are attracted to the natural scent of men who are high in testosterone. As stated before, full body workouts such as squats, barbell rows are more beneficial to your body. By doing workout routines that effectively builds more strength and burns more fat, it will trigger more testosterone growth in your body. Eating food like banana, eggs, oats, and tuna helps your body produce more testosterone. A study determined that vitamin D supplementation might increase testosterone levels in men. This is because vitamin D is directly associated with testosterone levels and targets the male reproductive tract. The last one has something to do with your pheromones. Your pheromone is your natural smell that your body produces through axillary hair, which is your underarm hair. One research concluded that women in stable relationships have a strong tendency to be attracted to the smell of dominant men when they are fertile. Of course, I'm not encouraging you to go for women who are taken, but if you are lucky to be in one, this may be useful to you if you want to keep your partner. By having high level of testosterone, which will make your natural scent attractive and will make you more competitive and confident, you'll be more sexually attractive. If you want your natural scent to do the attraction for you, then stop using colognes, perfumes, and scented deodorant because these will just mask your natural pheromone. Next time you shop for bathing essentials, buy natural soaps that won't strip away too much of your skin moisture, or you may try to occasionally bathe with only warm water. If you find this interesting, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Until my next video, I'll catch you guys later.